Do you want to import directly from China? We have coffee machine. We have coffee grinders. We have plastic tuning workshops. We have the injection workshop. All machines use the robo hands. Don't work with any middlemen. Directly work with a manufacturing. IV is directly bought from manufacturing. Trust me. In China, we have one sentence. 1 year is okay. 3 years is okay. 5 years is good. 10 years is wow! We are the 20 years manufacturing. Do you like me? Do you want to work with me? Please contact with Amy.